Hi everyone. I wanted to share a quick message here. Um, if you are, well, first off, there are so many people getting things done right now while we are at home. And sometimes some of us have more time right now, not everyone, but some of us have more time. And it is so inspiring to see people making progress, cleaning things out, doing all the spring cleaning. It is so cool to see. On the other hand, there are so many people on like the opposite end of the spectrum that are just feeling isolated, that are feeling distracted from everything that's going on, and because they feel that way, they're not making as much progress as they could make. So, if you are part of the group that is not getting that much done and you could benefit from having a little bit of hand holding right now, my team and I are offering live organizing accountability sessions for the next 4 weeks. For the next 4 weeks, twice a week, we are all going to jump on our phones, our computer, our device via Zoom, and we are going to get organized together in a structured, focused, encouraging, productive, inspiring environment with the goal of getting things done, having community, and feeling amazing. So if you need to get things done, there is a link below. I will be, to get all the details, I will be on video leading the sessions. You can be on video if you would like. If you want to remain private, which I completely understand, you don't have to be on video. You don't have to share. We'll be sharing what we get done. We'll be sharing what we learned. We'll be sharing what we're going to do. And it's just going to be so great. We did this a couple weeks ago and we offered something. We did it twice. A couple weeks ago, we did it for free. Like a month ago when all of this started. Well, it's been going on for a while, but anyways, we did it last month twice. And the feedback was incredible. One person organized their desk after a year of procrastinating. Amazing. That was just like one of the stories of someone that got something done, something amazing done. It was just so incredible. So my team and I, like after doing that, we were like, all right, we can't just stop doing this now. We need to keep offering this so people get stuff done. They feel encouraged. They feel productive. They lean into whatever they are resisting. Because really, that's what it's about. It's about leaning into whatever you are resisting and taking that smallest step possible. It's not about organizing the office. It's about picking up the first sheet of paper, deciding what it is, deciding if you need to hold on to it, if you can shred it, and then deciding where to put it, right? If you think about organizing the office, it's completely overwhelming, but it's all about taking that one small step. The small things, the small steps are the big things. The small things are the big things. Small things are the big things. So anyways, that is what we are doing. If you want to register, we would love to have you. It is pay what you want. We've never done anything like this before. So we had no idea, like, how do we even charge? Obviously, like, we're a small business and we have costs. So we need to charge because it's a lot of time and back end stuff. So it's pay what you want. Any amount is appreciated by our team. We are donating 10% of all sales that we get to Feeding America. So they can then take what we donate and give it to local food banks, in which they can give food to families that are in need, that have so much uncertainty in their own lives right now. Every dollar that we donate as a community is 10 meals to a person or to a family. So it's incredible. All the details are below in the link. The first session is this Saturday, April 25th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's 4 hours. It's going to be very structured. We're going to take breaks. We're going to share. We are going to learn things. We are going to, what is the word? Yeah, we're going to share. We're going to learn things from each other. If you can't stay for all 4 hours, that's okay. You can drop off whenever. You can join whenever. If you can't join all 8 sessions, that is okay. We are recording all 8 sessions, so you'll have access to all 8 recordings as well. I'm probably forgetting all the details because they are not in front of me. But you can just check the link below if any of this resonates with you, if any of this inspires you. And the biggest thing is to know that you are not alone And your mess does not reflect who you are. And all you have to do is you are one decision away from getting things organized. You are one decision away from feeling more calm. You are one decision away from feeling more peace at home. And all you have to do is decide to take action, whether it's on these calls or deciding on your own. That's it. Okay. I think I am rambling now, but I hope to see you guys on the calls. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.